Hello folks, thanks for visiting Active Automotive, and in particular looking at our Zafira Tourer 2 litre diesel elite automatic high spec. There's a mouthful. Lovely car, just 2 owners from new with full service history. The car comes all prepped with an RAC parts and labour warranty. That's a national warranty, so you wouldn't have to come back here. So if you don't live too close to us, you can work at using any problems. You can use a local VAT registered garage to you. So we're a bit old school here in the fact that the price you see is the price you pay. There's no extras for admin fees, there's no extra for the warranty as I've already mentioned, there's no subsidy if you don't take out finance. The price you see is the price you pay. So I'll show you around. This one, high spec, like I say. Someone's really looked after it. We've got they've put the extra mud flaps on, and we've got a set of rubber floor mats for it as well. Obviously you've got your privacy glass. This is not aftermarket privacy glass, so it's not stuck on, it's actually within the glass. And then also we've got the full pan roof, and then the front part inside has the shade, so it's got the bigger screen at the front. So showing you inside, full leather. And the nice thing is all the stitching and the bolsters, as you can see, still all in great condition. And then we'll just show you around. As you can see, no scratches, no chips, no marks. And take our word for it, at the moment there's no funny smells. It's quite nice with the ambient lighting just here that runs along there. You can see it probably a bit better on the driver's side. There we go, yeah. So then moving round to the rear seats. Again, these don't really look as though they've been used. Still very good condition. All the backs of the seats haven't been kicked, no problems there. And again, you'll see this ambient lighting just coming through here. And moving round to the rear. Parking sensors on the rear. And then in here, what we've done, just purely to try and show you, we've left one of the rear seats up for the 3rd row, and then the parcel shelf still in place. Obviously, hopefully I didn't need to say this, but if you have someone sitting in the back, take the parcel shelf out. But again, these are in great condition. This one also has a removable tow bar, and the tow bar sits in there and lives in there. If you look at the pictures we've taken, I've done a separate picture of it. It sits in there. Toolkit sits under here. This matting is just here. This then folds flat to cover all the back of the seats if you don't need the seat up, but just purely for display purposes we've left this one up. So moving round to the driver's side, again, I'm sure you could see, great condition really. It certainly has had my kids in the back of here, that's a sure fact. As you can see, lovely throughout. And then coming on to the business end, on the door card, pretty straightforward. Electric windows front and rear, and then at the top bit here, this is for your mirrors. And then as we sit in, we have auto lights down here. You have a multi-function steering wheel, so cruise control is just here, and then over this side is for your volume, radio, and obviously answering your phone and so on there. Then all your wipers are on that one, and then if I move across to there, this is where all your main beam indicators and so on are there as well. Then moving across, this one obviously has navigation, so it's just a simple case of pushing this button here, and then the screen will just turn back to there, and then back accordingly. And then down here, heated seats, dual zone climate control there, so you just set the temperature that you want and it'll work it for you. Hopefully with the weather coming now, we'll use this button here with the aircon. And then the automatic box is there, and then this is where your handbrake is here. It's electric handbrake. So then as we look up, what we have here, this is fantastic in the fact that we can slide this screen or the panel in front of the screen to make it a lot bigger screen. And what I didn't realise until we sold the last one is that if you're a little bit shorter and need your seat higher, what it enables you to do is to move this back accordingly to give you the better vision there. But also then, as well with this one, we have a full panoramic roof as well. So this really is a high spec, lovely, lovely Zafira Tourer diesel. It's the better one with the 2 litre, or should I say in our opinion. But there it is, Zafira Tourer 2 litre diesel auto elite, full leather, pan roof. What more can I say? Please, please, please ring first to make an appointment. Don't just turn up. We can get disappointment that way. We need to make sure that the vehicle is still available before you set off on your journey. Thanks for looking.